Two gents, no sense. Haha.
Hey guys, welcome back to Two Gents No Sense. सबसे पहले
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers out there.
And the fathers also.
Of course.
उन्होंने भी बनाया.
But before we begin, let's salute the mother of all mothers, our motherland. We have to give it to our army, to our armed forces. We're so proud of you, and thanks a lot for being there for us, protecting us at the borders.
Yep. I mean, you guys are awake. That's the reason our families, our friends, everybody can sleep peacefully. Thank you to you from the bottom of our hearts.
जो ये चीजें हुई उसकी वजह से काफी कुछ डिसरप्ट हो गया. क्रिकेट, IPL. ऐसा लगा कि IPL कैंसिल और we were talking about IPL getting shifted and probably चला जाएगा लंदन जाएगा what not. But
16th match coming back.
that's not all. दो बहुत बड़ी चीजें हुई हैं last week.
1 week to heartbreaks, guys.
मतलब
शर्मा कोहली
इस हार्ट ब्रेकिंग मोमेंट पे एक तो बनता है
अर्ज किया है.
इरशाद.
तेरा बात बात पे वो बेन स्टोक्स चिल्लाना.
तेरा गार्डन में घूमने वाले लॉन्डो को लाइन पे लेके आना.
तेरा ऑपोजिशन टीम के बॉलर को प्रेशर में डाल के खूब रन बनाना.
तेरा हर शॉर्ट बॉल को मिड विकेट के ऊपर मीलों दूर पहुंचाना. नहीं भूलेंगे हम जब तक है चांद, जब तक है चांद, जब तक है चांद. मतलब मैं तो सोचता हूँ अब स्लिप में खड़े हुए गाली कौन देगा.
स्टंप माइक कमेंट्री इज लाइक
खत्म.
आई थिंक वो माइक ही हटा देंगे अब.
बॉलर के विकेट लेने पर बॉलर से ज्यादा सेलिब्रेट कौन करेगा.
नो फन.
Just hope that the final dream that you guys have stays alive.
2027 World Cup T50-50 आप ही लाओ.
That would be the best goodbye ever.
I wanted to see one farewell match.
It is what it is, guys. कोहली रोहित जाएंगे तभी तो कल के कोहली रोहित आएंगे.
Fair.
Right? There is this huge thing that happened last week that fashionably ruled the feeds of everyone.
That's why we are dressed today.
That's why we're dressed.
Ode to Met Gala. And now we will react to Met Gala.
But before we react करें, Met Gala का theme क्या था?
ये तो आपको बता रहा हूँ ना.
So Met Gala का theme इस बार था super fine tailoring black style. Basically, it's a tribute to dandies, and the biggest role that was played in bringing that subculture to fore was by the people of Gala. Let's start with our very own OG. ऐसे ही नहीं पहना तुमने गले में छल्ला.
तल्ला हंसदा तेरे तल्ला रोना परे यार.
कैसा लगा लेकिन?
It was really like Rahul went to Hogwarts.
But someone really covered up well for him from our country. Diljit Dosanjh.
Groom of the century.
Prabal Gurung designed his look. I think he drew his inspiration from the King of Patiala. He was also the most googled look of Met Gala.
Yep.
I mean, Diljit, salute to you. You are taking.
आगे तो से great हो.
But moving on.
Miss PC.
कैसा लगा तुम्हें Miss PC का look?
Miss PC again disappointing. Basic
क्या
polka
बात
dots.
है? नहीं यार. PC का handbag कैसा लगा तुम्हें?
उसका कहाँ है?
अबे ध्यान से देख उसके साथ है.
Yeah.
Moving from PC to Kiara Advani. Advani.
सिंधी मानो.
Tailoring से कोई लेना देना नहीं था उसका.
मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया क्या था वो.
She had two metallic hearts on her dress. So she said the bigger heart is me and the smaller heart is my baby. And the two hearts were connected with a gold chain, which was the umbilical cord.
This is amazing. I love this now. Very Jan की टुकड़ी.
Jan की टुकड़ी.
ईशा मनी was rocking it.
Amazing.
देश की GDP चल के आ रही थी हमारी.
बिल्कुल.
She was like saying कि हाँ मैं पैसा हूँ.
हाँ है ना भाई. हाँ कैसे? रिहाना कैसी लगी?
Rihanna was nice. She was also pregnant. वो बच्चे का conceive ही इसलिए हुआ है उसको पता था वो Met Gala में जाएगा.
Of course, Rihanna was totally rocking it. I think she was wearing Marc Jacobs. Talking of Rihanna, how did you like Zendaya's look?
I loved
The hat. In fact, I was really amazed to see how people accessorized themselves.
what an accessory.
What's up?
आपका favorite?
Oh yes, how can you forget?
The butt.
The butt chain.
Chain.
Kim Kardashian. Speaking of Kim Kardashian, how did you like Kendall's look?
I think I like Kendall even more for the fact she was so show off.
Mm.
She was so basic, yet it was like out there.
I have a feeling she's the most graceful of all the Kardashian sisters.
Because of the eyes also.
But all in all, I feel Met Gala gives you a very royal vibe, right? I mean, it's a spectacle.
It is.
बहुत royal लगता है.
बहुत royal.
Royal.
Mm.
Royal. कितने दो तुझे क्यों?
क्यों? Friday night.
क्या देखा?
Tudum.
Netflix.
The Royals at Netflix.
बताओ कैसा था? मैंने नहीं देखा है. Heads up.
एक लड़का, एक लड़की.
दोनों में प्यार. Of course.
It's a half-baked show, trying too hard, pushing themselves to be, trying to be cool and woke, not working.
नहीं मतलब
Not at all.
क्या बात कर रहा है, ट्रेलर तो बड़ा अमेजिंग था।
ट्रेलर ही अच्छा था।
ट्रेलर में बिस्किट ही बिस्किट है। ईशान
अरे,
किशन
बहुत तो
क्या नाम है उसका, ईशान खट्टर के।
I know cricket is on our mind. It's
Cricket
okay.
is on our minds, yeah. But कहानी में क्या था? What was the story?
It's basically Bhumi Pednekar is the CEO of a startup called Royal BNB, which is replicating Airbnb. Ishan Khattar is a broke Maharaja, playing to be a playboy vibes, वैसा वाला vibe है उसका. And उसका Haveli is not doing very well, so they collaborate professionally. Then they fall in love and whatever happens, blah blah blah. Zeenat Aman was high. Lee Royal.
Highly royal.
All the time.
Nice.
And
इसमें कुछ है?
हाँ मतलब है, they're trying to be woke and pushing feminism, all of that, but it's not working as per the whole story. बहुत सारी parallel stories are running through. Bhumi Pednekar is facing a lot of difficulties with her investors and all, how they are trying to make things work. So it's all about that. But the best part about the show is the end.
Oh really? What is?
It's a cliffhanger. Maybe it gets better in the next season.
मतलब season 2 आ रहा है?
I hope.
कैसे प्रोडक्शन किसका है?
British Nandi Communications.
ओह ब्रिटिश नैंडी, तभी ये सारे मॉडलिंग वाले नाम है। बिलिन सुमन,
Dino Morea,
नोरा
Fateh.
ओह नोरा फतेही। There's this amazing dance number between Nora and Ishan.
Adaएं तेरी, what a great song. What a great dance. Two lovely dancers, hot bodies.
But all in all कितने स्टार्स देगा तू?
5 सितारे.
5 सितारे। ज़मीन पर का रेफरेंस तो नहीं दे रहा तू?
ज़मीन पर। Amir Khan is back, guys.
Poster drop.
And even the story is out that he mentioned in one of the press conferences that he is playing a basketball coach who has anger issues.
Okay.
And he has 10 students who are differently abled with different intelligences.
Wow.
And how they basically इसकी मार के रखते हैं और इसको कैसे सुधार देते हैं. So it's a humorous story.
Oh.
Very different from the old
Tare Zameen Par was a emotional drama.
It's the opposite. It's a humorous comedy.
Oh, wonderful.
Looking forward to that. And he's only acted this time, no direction.
He owes a lot to the public. लाल सिंह चड्डा दिखाने के बाद उसको कुछ तो अच्छा दिखाना।
अजीब गले।
But there was this another movie that I was looking forward to, but I think उसका release delay हो गया। भूल चूक माफ।
16th में directly Amazon Prime. I don't like Rajkumar Rao. आपको you like it?
I like Rajkumar Rao. मतलब Rajkumar Rao is a good actor, but I was really looking forward to the movie. But maybe next week.
Yep.
Next week देख के
उसका review देंगे।
ये कैसी थी?
भूल चूक
Right. But भूल चूक माफ से याद आया, बहुत बड़ी भूल कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
क्या?
हम लोगों ने आपसे कहा था कि अगला एपिसोड हम लोग शूट करेंगे
जबल कॉफी गाइस, जबल
एंड इट्स हाई टाइम कि इनको दिखाएंगे जबल में
क्या क्या है.
सो गाइस यू बैक विद आवर कॉफी. क्या लिया?
आइस्ड एस्प्रेसो.
पिछली बार की तरह.
Once you go black, you never go back.
Absolutely.
What did you get?
I got myself an iced caramel latte.
Fancy हो आप ना.
थोड़ा सा
It's looking amazing.
मीठे का चस्का है. खाने में क्या है?
खाने में we have the chocolate kunafa cake and we have the spinach and artichoke pinwheel.
Wow.
Looks one sweet, one savory.
चलो
But amazing feels, yeah. Look at the cutlery and all. It's very royal. मीठा करिए guys.
मुंह मीठा करिए guys. जबल में आने का मौका जब भी मिलता है उस मौके को पूरी तरह से कैश करिए. But
Graduating from double आपने बोला था ना. इनकी शायरी है यार. Scripting याद रखते हैं
guys. It's time to graduate from double and move on to jabal. Cheers.
सस्ता कॉफी यूज करें guys. कॉफी अमेजिंग है.
तो आपने ट्राई करो कैसा है हमारा आर्टिचोक.
Spinach and artichoke.
Is it?
It's amazing guys.
Amazing.
जल्दी बंद करो यार.
चलो बाय. बाकी हमें पीने दो चैन से. Cheers.
चैन से.